Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. On this video, we are going to have a demo on one of the smart features of the H11 smartwatch. So this smartwatch do have a feature for push notifications. The last video that we have with the H11 smartwatch, we have a demo for the Bluetooth phone call. This one will be all about the push notification. So it is powered by Lexus Fit application. So if you are interested to see the feature for the push notification or smart notification, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the smart notification feature of the H11 smartwatch. Our smartwatch here is already paired with a Lexus Fit app. Okay, and as you can see here, we do have the message reminder. So we check it already. We already activated the permissions when we paired it with the support app. And as you can see here, we do have the SMS. We will have a demo with these following applications: WhatsApp application, Messenger, Instagram, Viber, and SMS. So let's check on the support app if this application is activated. So we have the Lexus Fit, so we have the SMS, we have the Messenger, Instagram, we have the Viber. Okay, and let's activate others also. SMS is also activated. Okay, so that's it. So let's start and explore the smart notification feature of the H11 smartwatch. We will start with the Instagram application. So let's open the Instagram app. Let's send a message. So let's send a message to Cindy. Let's just say hello. Hello, how are you? Message sent. And we have here the message view. So we have the details here are, we have the logo, we have the message, and we have an option to delete the message. Do we have a date? Okay. Oh, we deleted the message. Okay, let's have another one. So let's send a message. Are you okay? Message sent. So we have the date and we have the time here, and of course the message. You have an option to dismiss or view the message. Okay, going back. So the message is automatically deleted here. I don't know why. Let's go back. Let's go to the message section. It's still here, but if you're going to view here, going to swipe down, there's no message. If you want to check the message, the previous message, you have to go to the menu and tap on the message, and we have the message here. Okay, I thought we accidentally deleted the message. Let's have an emoji. Let's see if there's support for emoji. Emoji. Then message sent. Okay, as you can see, just a box here, a graphic. So there's no support for the emoji. Okay, how about an image? What will be the details if we send an image? Okay, let's send this one. Send. What will be the alert? Message sent. No, we did not receive any. So seems like it's not working with images. How about the call? And call. Okay, so we have here a missed call notification. Next, let's have the WhatsApp application. Okay, so let's send a message to Cindy. Let's say hello. Hello, Cindy. Or just say hello. Message sent. And we have here the notification. Okay, view. So we have the logo of the application and we have the name. The same with the Instagram. How are you? Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, 2 messages. How are you? Okay, so far there's a support for WhatsApp application. For the call, and call, and we have here the notification for call. Okay, Sam miss voice call. So that's it for the WhatsApp application, and so it's working with the Instagram and WhatsApp application. Next, let's have the Messenger. Let's send a message to Cindy also. Are you okay? Message sent. Delivered. And we have it here. Okay, we also have the logo and the name of the sender and the message. Next, let's have a call. And call. So we have an audio call from Messenger. Okay, dismiss. And call. Oh, that's it. Okay, next, so there are multiple notifications here. So next, let's have the Viber application. So far, seems like everything is working here for our application or for our smartwatch. Hi, how are you today? Message sent. And we have also here the message with the logo, time, and the date. For the call, and call. Then let's end the call. Let's see if we do have the notification. Yes, we have it here. Missed call. And we have incoming Viber call. And we have the message from Viber. Okay, so it works with Messenger, it works with the WhatsApp application, and it works with Instagram and Viber. The last one, let's have an SMS notification. Hello, good morning. Message sent. Okay, and we have here the SMS notification. Hello, good morning. Okay, delete the message. So it can store several messages, as you can see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least 7 messages is allowed. Again, let's have another one. 7 to 8. Let's see. View. Go back. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have at least 8 messages. Okay. So that's it for the demo of our H11 smartwatch when it comes to the push notification or smart notification feature. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.